Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about average cost and average cost curves. Okay, so first, what is the meaning of average cost? Average cost is the cost per unit of output produced. That means per unit जो आपने प्रोडक्शन किया है, जो आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस हुआ है, उसकी कॉस्ट को हम एवरेज कॉस्ट कंसिडर करते हैं. Okay, so it is also called as unit cost of production. Average cost is also considered as unit cost of production. Fine. So further, average cost is the cost per unit of output produced, and it is also called as unit cost of production. So average cost we calculate by total cost dividing it by quantity. Fine. So quantity produced, total cost divided by quantity produced. Okay, and if we talk about average cost is further divided into two parts, average fixed cost and average variable cost. So average cost could be written as summation of average fixed cost and average variable cost. So just we'll be quickly going through an example how to calculate these. So just look at this example from book. So in this illustration, average cost is estimated when total cost is given to you. Okay, and we have already we know the formula. That means total cost divided by quantity. Total cost divided by quantity. So if the output is or quantity is produced as 0 units, then total cost is given as 10 units. So average cost will be 10 divided by 0 and it comes to be infinity. Okay, या not defined हम इसको बोल सकते हैं. Then if the output produced is 1 unit and total cost is 20, then average cost will be 20 divided by 1. Okay, and it comes out to be 20. Then further, if output is 2 units and total cost is 28 units, then 28 divided by 2 we get 14. And similarly we get we need to calculate all as per the quantity given and the total cost given. We can very easily calculate the average cost. So further moving on, fixed and variable component of average cost. So average cost, as I have already told, that average cost is divided into two components, is having two components, average fixed cost and average variable cost. So average cost is calculated by adding average fixed cost with average variable cost. Now we are going to talk about the first component, average fixed cost. Average fixed cost. So average fixed cost can be calculated by dividing total fixed cost by quantity. Total fixed cost and fixed total cost we have already discussed. So total fixed cost divided by the quantity. Okay, so if suppose it is given to us quantity in units, total fixed cost is given to us. Okay, fixed cost means in short run fixed cost remains same. Okay, that means if suppose we are hiring you could say ki premises on rent, so rent will not be changeable. Okay, we have to pay the fixed rent, so total cost will be same. So if suppose 1 unit is produced, total fixed cost is 10. Okay, so we need to calculate average fixed cost. We are calculating it by average fixed cost by same formula, total fixed cost divided by quantity. So 10 divided by 1 and it comes out to be 10. Then if 2 units are produced and fixed cost is same every time, how many units, जितना भी आप units produce करेंगे, fixed cost will be same every time, and it will be calculated by dividing total fixed cost by the number of units produced. So 10 by 2 and it comes out to be 20. 5. It comes out to be 5. So similarly, how many whatever the units we are produced, okay, suppose 3, then 10 divided by 3, and similarly we will calculate average fixed cost. Now if we talk about the graph, and if we plot these points, suppose 10 by 3, it comes out to be 3.3, then 4, 5, 6, and similarly dividing it 10 by 4, 10 by 5, 10 by 6, okay, then 10 divided by 4, it is 2.5, it is 2, and it is 1.67. Now if we plot the graph of average fixed cost, okay, average fixed cost graph is always a rectangular hyperbola. It is always a rectangular hyperbola. So if we plot the graph, on x-axis we are going to take the output. Okay, this is the output, that means quantity which is produced, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so on. Okay, and on the y-axis we are going to take average cost, which we calculated by dividing total fixed cost by quantity, this average fixed cost. Okay, so over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now if we look at this, so the first point, when the output was 1 unit, then average fixed cost came out to be 10. So just plotting it up till 10, okay, nearly over here it will lie above 6. So 1 and 6 nearly over here, okay. So this you can do it yourself. This is the first point. Then 2 and 5, then 2 and 5 over here. Then the third point, 3 and 3.3, 3 and 3.3 over here we can consider it, okay. And fourth point, 4 and 2.4 and 2.5 over here, fine. Then 5 and 2, then 6 and 1.6, 1.67, 1.67. So it comes out to be over here nearly. So if we join the points, okay, if we join the points we get this shape. So this particular type of shape, if we move on like this further, so it is called rectangular hyperbola. So average fixed cost is a rectangular hyperbola shape, okay. Now when we look at this, okay, as the fixed total fixed cost remains same every time, so average fixed cost decreases as output increases. So what you will notice over here, as the units produced increases, so average fixed cost will go on decreasing. So as the output, you could say, increases, so average fixed cost will go on decreasing. Now the second component, if we talk about the second component, the second component is average variable cost, that is, we write the short form like this. So average variable cost, it is always calculated as variable cost. First of all, we have already discussed variable cost, that means the factors which are variable and the cost incurred or expenditure done on those variable factors, okay. It is called average variable cost. So average variable means that keeps on changing. So average variable cost, it could be calculated as total variable cost divided by quantity. Okay, so over here, if suppose the quantity over here, so when we calculate average variable cost, suppose output is given to us, okay, it is given in units. This is total variable cost which is given to us. So what you will notice over here, that total variable cost is increasing every time when output is increasing. Okay, as the units produced increases, total variable cost also increases. Now we need to calculate average variable cost. How to calculate average variable cost? Total variable cost is divided by the output. That means 10 divided by 1. 10 divided by 1, we get 10. 18 divided by 2, we get 9. Then 24 divided by 3, 8. 28 divided by 4, we get 7. 32 divided by 5, we get 6.4. Then 38 divided by 6, we get 6.3. 46 divided by 7, we get 6.6, and 62 divided by 8, we get 7.7. So this we have calculated the average variable cost. Okay, now we need to plot the graph. So when we plot the graph, over here output, and over here we take average variable cost, and when we plot, we get a graph of this shape. Okay, we get a U-shaped average variable cost. This is average variable cost curve. Okay, and we get U-shaped average variable cost. So what do what we conclude from here? As the output increases, total variable cost, first of all it will decrease. First it decreases, okay, up till here. Then it at a point, after a point, it start increases. Firstly it decreases, okay, it start decreasing, and then after a stagnation point it goes on increasing again. And similarly ups and downs, and if we plot it further, so this way we get a curve. This is a U-shaped curve we develop when we draw the average variable cost.